everyone, welcome to Trial and Error, the show where we try, fail and succeed in DIY projects. My name is Marta and the goal with this channel is to challenge myself to try new things. Maybe I'll find a new hobby. Maybe I'll destroy my home. I don't know, let's see. For this first video, I will attempt making a dog treat slingshot out of paper. I found a video on PPO's channel, so I used that for inspiration, which I'll link down below. Later, I'll test it out, see if it works, see if it's dog approved. So let's get started.
First things first, you'll need some regular paper to work as the fire pin, some craft paper, a rubber band, tape, glue, pencil, a ruler and some scissors. So start with rolling the paper to a thin cylinder. There we go. Already I'm having problems. Jesus. Okay, trying again. There we go. Okay, cut this one off and tape it together. And I actually find it easier to just roll the cylinder just to make the tape stick better. Next step, craft paper. So we are going to make the sleeve by tearing it in half and some rolling action. And it might be very smart to just check if it works before you start rolling and wasting paper, because this is no bueno. Clean slate. We're making the cylinder again, and let's watch me fail at rolling some more. Easier this time. Cut it off and tape together. Now it fits. Better. Okay. So the smallest cylinder there is just a cutoff of the first one I made. So now I am cutting off the excess and putting a rubber band on. This will work as the spring. So that is measured to cover the part that is taped down. So it'll work as a cover, and again, make sure it fits. So now it's time to make the attachment where you'll put the rubber band, and that will be placed on top of the sleeve. And also it would be nice to just know how a glue bottle works, because then I could just avoid covering myself in glue. That would be nice. Cutting the small cylinder so that we can fit a treat or whatever inside the sleeve. You should, however, not fasten the rubber band right now because the glue needs time to harden, so we'll just wait. And of course, the dog treat slingshot needs a grip. Just folded some craft paper and glued it together, and then I fasten it to the sleeve. I might be using the wrong glue for this, so to be sure I just secured it with some tape afterwards so that it could harden nicely. Well, this one was a failure. The attachment to the rubber band just fell off. I do not think I used enough glue, so I'm trying with more and then securing it with some tape. So here we have the parts needed to make a dog treat slingshot, and patience is key, so we just have to let it dry and we'll take it for a spin.
We left off where this was just taped together. These ones were drying. We have the cylinder and we have the sleeve, and we just put it in here and get the rubber band over here. I don't think I'll make any bullets and shoot that with this, but I do have some treats. You want the treats? Yeah, you want the treats. Sit down. Okay, so what we'll do is that we'll put the treats in the cylinder and we'll fire. Alex, good. Good. Pinky, go. Yeah. Sit down. It works. And we can also put multiple treats at the same time, even though the space is kind of small. Let's see if they don't clog up. Okay, what's that? Shen? But one problem that happened quite easily is that the small cylinder that was on the edge here falls off. Might be because the glue, might be an error. I don't know, but the rubber band is attached with tape, so it holds up. So you can see that this side, this starts to loosen, but this one sits better. So it might not hold over time, but for now it's a fun toy.
I would say that this DIY actually worked pretty well. The dog approves, even though he approves to anything as long as he gets treats. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more DIY projects or have any tips to what I could do next, please subscribe and comment down below. Have a good one. Bye.